In this video, I will show you how to sell Solana on Coinbase. So to do this, you just want to go and open up Coinbase either in your browser or the app. And then from the home screen, just click on crypto right here. And then you will see all the currencies you own. So you can see I have a little over 22 euros in Solana right here. If I want to go and sell this, just open up Solana. And then here click buy and sell. And then select sell. From here you can choose how much you want to sell, so I'll just click sell all, and then it's going to select all of it that you have, and you can choose where you want to deposit it to. So you can choose your Euro wallet or whatever currency you use, but I want to buy USDT, so I'll just swap it into USDT immediately and click sell now. And now the order has been submitted. Now right here, if I go to the home screen and refresh, then open up my crypto and refresh it here too, you will now see that I own USDT instead of Solana. So that's how you can sell Solana on Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.